Vice Presido Shettima on Wednesday night don't call for unity and collabo among leaders in order to sustain the gains of reforms by the administration of Presido Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Oga Shettima yarn this one for Iftar, wey be the breaking of Ramadan fast, wey shele for the new State House banquet hall where Presido Tinubu for host Senate leaders for Abuja. A contour say Naija don reach important point where Presido Tinubu bold leadership and policies go help the country grow. Oga Shettima come mention how food price dey fall, petrol price dey drop and forest market don dey stable, as dat na proof say Presido decisions dey work wella. E come also tok say Naija economy don dey projected to grow between 4.3 to 4.6% this year. VP Shettima contact Senate for their good relationship with executive and come urge the lawmakers to see themselves as one family wey dey work for Naija success. E come say no matter political, religious or tribal differences, dem need dey united for one goal.
On behalf of Mr. President, I wish to warmly welcome you to the presidential villa for this Iftar ceremony. In the history of all nations, we all reach an inflection point. That is when bold and visionary leadership, well thought out, well-crafted policies, and proper execution conspire to meet at a confluence. And this is precisely what happened in this country on the 29th of May, 2023. The President is a man of vision, is a man of conviction, and is a man of courage. And leadership is not about taking popular decisions. Leadership is about taking hard, difficult decisions. The petroleum subsidy has been an albatross round the neck of this nation for the past 50 years. Nobody could dare to challenge the subsidy tigers. One of them told former Governor Issa Yuguda that he's even tired of making money. But the President confronted the subsidy scam and withdrew the fuel subsidy. Certainly, it wasn't the most popular of decisions. The alignment of the exchange rate regime was also a very tough decision. The tax reform generated a lot of controversies, but only a courageous leader that can have long-term vision. Political leaders have short-term vision. Great leaders have long-term perspective on issues. And here we are. NNPC and Dangote are struggling to see who will sell oil at the lowest price. During Ramadan season, traditionally prices of foodstuff tend to rise astronomically. This time around, it's coming down. Prices are coming down. The economy is projected to grow at 4.3 to 4.6% this year. And in the fullness of time, it's rightly captured by the distinguished President of the Senate. Posterity will be kind to you, Mr. President. I want to thank the Senate for the warm relationship that permeates our interface. As rightly captured by Abdulaziz some few days ago, we are members of the same family, but sleeping in different rooms. We are essentially one people tied to a common destiny. What unites us supersedes whatever that divides us. Senator Abdul Lingi was elected on the platform of the PDP. He is my friend, a very good friend of mine. So also is Ibrahim Dankombo. Siriake Dixon was my colleague in the Governor's Club. He is my friend. So So we are one big family, irrespective of differences in political affiliations, religious persuasions, tribal or sectional background. Even Senator Ume with his long cap, he's a very colorful politician, second only to Godswill and Pablo. I regard him as our friend. So we'll continue to nurture this relationship and take it to greater heights.
Senate Presido Godswill Akpabio and other Ogboge Senate leaders like the Deputy Senate Presido, Senate Leader, Minority Leader and former Senate Presido all tanda gidigba for the iftar. Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Ekata Ojesole reporting for TMC TV.